Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to unlock the potential of YouTube monetization, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to complete your watch time hours so you can start earning from your amazing content. First off, let's talk about what watch time is. Simply put, it's the total number of minutes that viewers spend watching your videos. To qualify for monetization, you need at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, along with 1,000 subscribers. It might sound daunting, but don't worry. We've got some effective strategies to help you reach that goal. One of the best ways to boost your watch time is by creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Think about what your audience loves and how you can deliver it in a fresh way. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or reviews, focus on quality and authenticity. Remember, people are more likely to stick around if they feel a connection with you and your message. Next, consider optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos appear in search results, making it easier for new viewers to find you. Use keywords that resonate with your content and audience. A well-optimized video can attract more viewers, which translates to more watch time. Don't forget the power of playlists. Organizing your videos into themed playlists encourages viewers to watch multiple videos in one sitting. This not only increases your watch time, but also enhances the viewer experience. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your best content. Engagement is key. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Ask questions or create polls to spark conversations. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to return for more. Building a community around your channel can significantly boost your watch time. Lastly, promote your videos on social media and collaborate with other creators. Sharing your content across platforms can attract new viewers who may not have discovered you otherwise. Collaborations can also introduce your channel to a wider audience, giving your watch time a nice boost. As you implement these strategies, remember to be patient and persistent. Growth takes time, but with dedication and creativity, you'll get there. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on growing your channel. We're excited to see you succeed on your YouTube journey. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.